what's up and welcome to our channel. For those of you who have been following along, you probably know that I recently unboxed a couple keyboards from the Master Series by Logitech, including the MX Keys full-size keyboard, as well as the MX Mechanical and MX Mechanical Mini. Well, today we're going to be continuing with the Master Series by unboxing the MX Keys Mini. Alright guys, so starting off we have our user documentation. And over here is our USB-A to USB-C charging cable. This is the same charging cable that is used for the MX Mechanical, MX Mechanical Mini, as well as the full-size MX Keys. Alright guys, so on the Logitech website, it's $99.99, and the keyboard has a battery life of up to 10 days with the full charging, or 5 months with the backlights off. So the keyboard also comes with Easy Switch, which is an option to connect up to 3 devices wirelessly and switch between them, as well as Bluetooth, which gives you that wireless connection. So with the keyboard, you also have the option of different colors. You have black, rose, pale gray, and graphite. I chose the black, and honestly, I'm really happy with this decision. It looks very simple, and I really love the aesthetic of the black one. Now, although you are unable to connect through different Logitech USBs, you are allowed to connect to other Logibel receivers. Of course, those are sold separately. Now on the top, we also have our charging port as well as our on and off switch. While some people do tend to like the slant, others don't, and that's what the riser feet are mainly for, but unfortunately this keyboard does not have it, and it does have a bit of a permanent slant. Now what's really unique with this keyboard is that it comes with a dictation key, emoji key, mic mute, and an unmute button. Now you can either set up your backlights manually, or they'll just be automatically adapting depending on the lighting conditions. Now what's really cool about the backlights is that they have proximity sensors, and what this basically does is when your hands get close to the keyboard, the backlights will turn on, and when your hands go away, they'll basically turn off. We also get increased key stability, which is for optimizing responsiveness and reducing noise. We also get increased key stability for optimized responsiveness and reduced noise. Now getting into the keys themselves, they have a spherical dishing shape, basically a little dip to match your fingers, and a matte coating. Different parts of the keyboard are also made using recycled plastic to help lower the carbon footprint, and the amount is depending on the color. For example, rose would have a different amount of recycled plastic used than black. Alright guys, so overall I'm really happy with the Mini MX Keys keyboard. I think they did a really great job of taking the full-size keyboard and scaling it down into this one. I also especially liked the overall aesthetics of it. It's very simple and modern, and that's something that I really liked in the full-size one as well. Other than that, I think the only problem would probably be the permanent slant and the no rising feet, but other than that, it had some really great features like the easy switch as well as the long-lasting battery life, because especially in wireless keyboards, I look for a long-lasting battery life because I don't really see the need to always hook up your keyboard to a charger if it's going to be wireless. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for any new notifications. I will make sure to link the product down below in case if any of you are interested in purchasing it, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!